Hello everyone, I am Salathia Kanani and I'm very glad to introduce you to my speech and entitled Our Home Galaxy. It is an informative speech, but before I introduce to galaxies, I want to begin by defining by giving some definitions. We have the overall container, which is the universe. The universe is actually everything. Uh, it means that it includes all of space. It includes all of the matter and energy that exists, all known and unknown. This universe even includes time itself, and of course, it includes us. It includes you, it includes me. So, can you locate yourself within this unmeasurable and expanding super container? Never say out in space, as if the space is there and we are here, because you are technically in space right now. Do you hate cosmology? Because I'm talking about things related to cosmology, but don't hate it. It's not a rocket science. Cosmologists study the structure and changes in the present universe, because as I said, the universe is expanding. It is changing every day and night. For the sake of practicality, humans categorize clumps of matter based on their attributes. So we have galaxies, we have star clusters, we have planets, we have moons, rings, comets, and meteorites. So there are more than 200 billion of galaxies in the observable universe. In fact, a galaxy is a system of stars. If we think of galaxies as a singular object, they are some of the largest structure in the universe. So we have the universe, but we have also some large structures in the universe. These structures are called galaxies. Most of the stars and planets in the universe are contained within those galaxies. Galaxies are categorized according to their visual morphology, and our home galaxy is called Milky Way. Note also there's three. We have Andromeda, we have large and small Magellanic Clouds. These are three names of other galaxies that can be found in the universe, but not that our home galaxy is called Milky Way. Oh, I can't forget to tell you about IC 1101, the largest of the known galaxies. It is the supergiant elliptical galaxy, and it is 40 times larger than our home galaxy. Now, we have from the universe to the Milky Way, uh, a large spiral system consisting of several hundred billion stars, one of which is the Sun. I want to let you know that there are many planetary systems like ours in the universe. I said about the universe as the overall container. Now I come to tell you about Milky Way, our home galaxy, and now I'm going to introduce you to what we call planetary systems. Planetary systems are planetary systems. I want to tell you that there are so many planetary systems like ours, with the planets orbiting a host star. That is to say that there is a host star. There is a host star, and other planets are orbiting that host star based on its gravity. So our planetary system is called the solar system. It is called so because of the word solar, to describe things related to our star, after a Latin word which is solis, meaning the sun. Our planetary system is located in our outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy, and it consists of our star, of course the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. We have planets orbiting the sun. We can say Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, but also dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteorites. Beyond our own solar system, we have discovered more than 3,000 of planetary systems orbiting other stars in our home galaxy, which is Milky Way. Our home planet is the third planet from the sun. So we have the sun, which is our host star. So the closest to the sun is Mercury. We have Venus. Then the third one is our home planet, which is Earth. The Earth, so far, it is the only place we know so far that is inhabited by the living things. While the Earth is only the fifth largest planet on the solar system, it is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. It is just slightly larger than nearby Venus. Earth is the biggest of the four planets closest to the sun, all of which are made of rock and metal. Have you ever asked yourself about the name of Earth? The name Earth is at least 1,000 years old. All of the planets except the Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word which simply means the ground. So That's where we are located in the universe, in Milky Way galaxy and solar system. Then we are located at Earth, our home planet. To dig deeper, let me tell you 5 need to know crazy facts about the universe according to the Arizona State University Center for Child Well-Being. And the first thing I want to let you know is that the sun's mass takes up 99.8 of the solar system. So we have the solar system, and about 0.2 is the mass of the rest of the solar system minus the mass of the sun. Can you imagine how big is the sun in our solar system? The second one I want to let you know is that 1 million Earths can fit inside the sun. The sun is so big that it can host 1 million of Earths. By now I'm saying about the volume of the sun, and you know the sun is the sun, or the sun is composed by is made of mostly hydrogen and helium, but it has about the all of the mass of the solar system. So the third thing I want to let you know, which is also crazy about the solar system and about the universe as a whole, the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. 40 and 50 100 degrees Celsius. You know, when we are saying about the temperature on a planet, it is a mean. It is not like on Earth we have some places where we have above 30 degrees Celsius, like here in Rwanda we have at least 25 degrees Celsius, but the mean temperature of Earth is 15. So the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius, and it is Venus. It is not the closest to the sun, but it is the hottest within our solar system. The first would be Mercury, because it is the closest to the sun, but Mercury has no atmosphere at all, which regulates temperature. And this Venus, it is like his atmosphere is so dense that it is like a greenhouse. You know that those greenhouses. The atmosphere, it is so dense, so all of the temperature is maintained within its atmosphere, which makes it the hottest of the solar system. The four things I want to let you know is that a full NASA space suite costs about $12 million. $12 million. Space suite. There's suite that people put on when they are going to explore the universe, to explore the space. It costs $12 million, and this is for the backpack and control module. However, the space suite that NASA uses were built in 1974. So I don't think if they are made now, the cost would be up. The fifth thing that I want to let you know is that there are more trees on Earth than stars in Milky Way. On Earth there are more trees than stars. When you look in the at night, you know stars are so many, but there are more trees on Earth than the stars in the Milky Way. So our Earth is very green. We are lucky, I may say. The sixth thing I want to let you know is that one day on Venus is longer than 1 year. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year, because we count the planets are having two kinds of motions. There is one which is to rotate. The planet is rotating to itself, to its axis of rotation, and for Venus it takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. So when it is rotating to its axis, it makes a day on that planet. So to rotate to its axis, it takes 243 Earth days to complete its day, and the orbit of the Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. The seventh thing and the last one I want to let you know about, the craziest things to know about the universe, is that there is a planet made of diamonds. Do you know where it is located? And this planet is twice the size of the Earth. It is sometimes called the super Earth. I encourage you to do some research about this planet, and it is amazing when you go there, because it is a planet made of diamonds. And you know how diamonds are likely rare on Earth. I wish I could be there. So you see how unmeasurable the universe is. Then think of the super small size a man is. This makes me feel humble, and I found that there is no reason for a man's arrogance. Again, do you imagine the creator of the universe, who put in place every single star in it, who put everything in motion without jamming, because every star has its orbit, and there must be much mathematics in establishing this setting. Know that the Lord is God. To conclude, I want you to know that the Lord is God. It is He that made us, and we are His people, and the sheep of His pasture. Psalm 100 verse 3. Thank you.